Alright, what up, y'all? Playing the fakes for women here in Pigstar HH News. It looked like a woman has been arrested in order to be tested for COVID after going into one of these, I guess, food marts and coughing on products, no mask on, and just acting like she had COVID virus. Yep, she got arrested. I think they hit her with a reckless endangerment and she got court ordered to get tested for COVID. If she got COVID, they're gonna try her as some type of bioterrorist, and I think she just did it just to play with people. I think she's too old to be playing, and as an adult, she has to set an example for the youth, and we don't want them out here playing and testing and faking like they got corona as some type of alternate power trip, negative power trip. It's just really messed up that we got adults that got time to do this. Don't y'all want? Who wants to be in a country where there's a 24-hour, 365 rolling sickness? And I'm coughing just because I'm not smoking, but I just finished drinking something. Who wants to be in a country with constant 365 sickness that's always going around? It's ridiculous, yo. But anyway, check this story out. It's messed up, and we're gonna keep up with it. Cause if she got COVID, you're gonna see them upgrade the charges. With that being said, what you heard and saw was the content. For additional content, click the link in the description. Like, follow, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, visit my community wall, and if you have time, go to www.amor-eka.com/TV. That's our Planet of the Fakes 2. We are the new umbrella. Planet Up.